Hey, what's up? Welcome to another episode of 10 Minute Chef. My name is Tyler, and we're doing a strawberry jam. Strawberries are in season. This is the best time to eat them. This is when they have the most flavor. This is when they're the freshest, and this is when they're most abundant. It's good to eat them while they're in season. Out of season, they're a little more bitter. I'm sure you've experienced, but the key to a good strawberry jam is, of course, what? Fresh strawberries. Yeah, it's that simple. Got to get the best strawberries you can. For our strawberries, which I found were the best available, were from Bekemeyer Family Farms, which is located in Winter Garden, Florida. They grow all their produce hydroponically, and they are Omni Organic certified. Omni Organic just means that they follow all of the procedures to be organic. Yet they don't have the USDA label because it's expensive. So, do what you will with that info. Strawberries are the most widely cultivated fruit in the U.S. Find them everywhere, pretty much almost year round. Like I think nationally they're available January through November. So that's pretty much the whole year because that's because there's like multiple varieties of strawberries, different kinds of strains that are made available. Some GMO, we try to stay away from that. That's why we eat seasonal. But the first ever strawberry that we know, the modern strawberry, the garden strawberry, was cultivated in France in the 1750s. Quick fact about strawberries. How about another one? They're part of the rose family. Do you know that? We're making jam from roses today. It's pretty cool. I say the first garden strawberry because the first wild strawberry, one that grew on its own before man or woman had a chance to put their hands on it, is called the wild woodland strawberry, and that's natively grown in parts of Europe and parts of Asia before we essentially domesticated it. I don't know when it came to America. If you know that answer, go ahead and let me know. Send a comment, something. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'm going to take you through the journey of going to Bekemeyer Farms with Shamir. Her and I picked a whole 3.5 pounds of strawberries, and we broke them down and made some really delicious jam. I also made a mixed berry brandy jam that I use from a local distillery that they distill vodka from blueberries. So I'm going to be posting that video very shortly. Also, I have a couple bread recipes that I'm going to be dropping soon, and you can use this jam to put on those breads, and it's really, really good. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and make sure to like, subscribe, share. All right, enjoy. Cool. Thank you. Ready?
Yes.
Get some strawberries here. Check these out. That's nice, right? Grab some of those.
I'm gonna put on. Got some over here?
Here's a nice one.
Nice.
That's a really nice one. Get that one. They're just trimming some oregano over here. You said help yourself to some good oregano leaves. Look at these. Look at these. Smell that.
Oh, that smells great. Yeah, that smells really great. Wow.
Yeah, they got some scallions growing here. All hydroponic system. That's amazing.
No, I love smell like that.
Alright, let's get to work here. Let's pick some more berries. There we go. That's a good one.
Yeah, I saw this one here.
No. Oh, yeah. Cat.
Oh my goodness.
Cat out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. This cat loves berries.
Hi,
Look
little
at him.
baby.
This is the berry goddess.
For sure, actually.
What a pleasant surprise. Hey. Look at spotted. What's he look like all around? He looks nice?
Nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Throw him in.
Who thought you could be picky while picking strawberries?
Ah, picky pickers.
Picky pickers.
That's a nice one.
There are so many strawberries here. How about this one right here, hiding in here?
Hmm?
This guy hiding right here.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, look at him. Look at those. Those are...
So you get your strawberries back to the house. First things first, wash them off. Trim them up. I wish there was a way to use these up without it being a very long and tedious operation. I'm sure you could like make a strawberry water by soaking these in water somehow to use them, but otherwise throw them out. You cut up all your strawberries. You start putting them in a big old bowl. And you can either half them or squeeze them with your hands. I halved them with a knife. And for 3.5 pounds of strawberries, I'm doing about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. I think I used 1.5 cups. Not 100% certain.
This is the real deal right here. Organic all the way through. We're just letting the fruit and the sugar do their thing. I'm just going to mix this together briefly.
And then we add some lemon zest.
Actually, the white of the citrus,
The pith of the lemon
the pith
is
good for
full of natural pectin, which will bring that jam together.
That's what we have.
Naturally, just sitting for 20 minutes creates a syrup, and that's what's going to cook down.
So you get in here.
That hasn't been touched, nothing's been added. Those are just juices naturally extracted from the strawberries. Mash them up a little bit, get them started. And then you put them in to a bowl. You can count them out by the cup or pour it all in at once. I just was curious to see how many pounds or how many cups that 3.5 pounds of strawberries translated into. And then while they're on the heat, you break them down a little farther. You continue to mash them, stir them on a low simmer, low to high. You want to hit it with some high heat first. One part I didn't get to show about the strawberry making because my camera died was when it's on the heat and it's going down, it's simmering, and the juice liquid is just coming down. You want to cook it until you get it to the desired texture that you want. So to figure that out, you put a cold plate. You put a plate in the freezer or in the refrigerator, let it sit for a little while till it's cold, pull it out, and you take some of the hot liquid, scoop it onto the plate, and then give it a swipe with a spoon or your finger. And if the gap between the strawberry jam doesn't close rapidly or at all, you've got what you want. And then you can turn it off the heat and go ahead and distribute how you'd like. Let it cool down, put it in a jar like we did here, or eat it right away. Put it on top of a turnover, or put it in a turnover, or put it on a biscuit, whatever you want. Thanks so much for watching again, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.